Once upon a time in the town of Whimsyville, there was a bright and magical science lab that everyone talked about. It was unlike any other lab because it looked like it came straight out of a fairy tale. The lab was vibrant with colorful potions lined up in all shades of the rainbow, and bubbling beakers that seemed alive with curiosity. Strange and fantastical gadgets lay scattered about, whispering the secrets of the universe to those who dared to listen. In this wondrous lab worked Professor Tinker, a friendly and wise old scientist with the kindest heart. Wearing a white coat speckled with rainbow-hued stains from past experiments, Professor Tinker loved nothing more than sharing the joy of science with every child who ventured into his magical realm. His wild, untamed hair always seemed to dance in rhythm with the swirling sparkles that hovered in the air, adding to his charming appearance. One sunny afternoon, a group of eager children walked into the lab, eyes wide with wonder and hearts full of questions. "Welcome, young explorers," boomed Professor Tinker with a twinkle in his eye. "Today, we embark on a passage of discovery. Let us conjure a bubbly volcano right here inside the lab." Alongside the curious children, Professor Tinker gathered the ingredients: a bottle of vinegar, some baking soda, a bit of food coloring for flair, and, of course, Tinker's special sprinkle of magical dust that made everything more exhilarating. Professor Tinker guided his young apprentices carefully and safely through the process, explaining each step with enthusiasm. First, they shaped a volcano using a mound of clay, leaving a hollow center where the magic would happen. "Carefully now," he said with a gentle smile, as he helped them pour the vinegar into the core. "Next comes the fun part." With a flourish, he sprinkled the baking soda into the vinegar, along with the magical dust, and stepped back. "Wow!" gasped the children in delight as their miniature volcano erupted into life. The bubbling, fizzy lava overflowed in vibrant hues of orange and red, glittering slightly from the magical dust. It was a spectacular scene, indeed, and the sounds of amazement filled the colorful lab. But the wonders did not end there. Professor Tinker led them over to another experiment, making fantastical slime. Slime is marvelous all on its own, but with a touch of magic and science, it can truly come alive. He guided them to mix glue, water, and a dose of sparkly substances while chanting a little rhyme that added a bit more magic. Lo and behold, within no time, each child held in their hands a stretchy, gooey creation of their very own making. Throughout the lab, shelves brimmed with curious objects, massive crystals shimmering with inner light, glowing liquids pulsating with unknown energies, and ancient books filled with tales of scientific adventures and secrets. On the walls, gears whirred and spun, clicking harmoniously with the wonder in the air, while a grand chalkboard displayed fascinating science formulas and fun facts, igniting curiosity in every heart. The day was filled with laughter and learning, and as the children bid farewell to their kindly guide, they left with hearts awash in wonderment, for they had discovered something truly magical, the enchantment of science.